kiss. He was just asking. How come a dentist? What's wrong with being a regular doctor?
I saw this thing on Shark Teeth when I was little.
Hey, Phil.
Glad to see you not exerting yourself in this heat.
Boss, now he comes. As soon as the Jersey tomatoes are in season, you can't keep these New York guys away.
Fuck the tomatoes. I'll take the scuttle. You know my brother Billy?
Yeah, what do you say, Bill?
Really? How you doing? Hey.
Hey, Felicia,
What?
this case of toner come in yet?
Yeah, it's in the trailer.
I'm gonna gas up. I'll be right back.
Toner cartridges now. You're not skimming enough from this shop.
Fucking brother sells them out of his trunk.
Jesus.
So, Patsy, the necklace, how'd it go over with the guma?
Beautiful. With the little emeralds, she fucking loved it.
First he gave her the emeralds, then he gave her the pearls.
I got Ebel watches, too. Earrings, whatever you need.
My girl's birthday's coming up.
Some rack on that girl.
Yeah, if you can get past the sideburns.
You should talk. That skank I saw you with, this girl's fucking mustache, it must have been like kissing a fireman.
Well, you ought to know, sweetie.
What'd you say?
Nothing, what? We're just breaking balls.
Finn, what time's that game tonight?
8 o'clock, I think.
I'm gonna take a piss. Do me a favor, huh? Hold this.
I knew that was coming.
You're right. I'm sorry. I meant to hit you in the fucking mouth.
Hey, yo.
Gene, relax.
You okay?
All right.
Come on.
You made your point.
Felicia, call an ambulance.
Use your own phone. I'm busy.
You've been sick all day. Why don't you take the day off?
What about him? One of these civilians calls the cops?
What? I think I seen a couple of niggas running that way.
Oh, yeah, those two guys.
Need to rest? You want some water?